Checking your account balance on Tails 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Boot up Tails. Start your computer and select the Tails operating system from your boot menu. Wait for Tails to load completely. Step 2. Connect to the internet. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Open the terminal. Once connected, open the terminal application. You can find it in the applications menu or by searching for terminal. Step 4. Enter the command. In the terminal, type the command to check your account balance. This command will vary depending on your account type, so make sure to use the correct one provided by your financial service. Step 5. Review your balance. After entering the command, press enter. Your account balance should be displayed in the terminal window. Take note of the balance for your records. Now you can easily check your account balance on Tails 2026 whenever you need to.